What are you doing, boo?
Boo, what is that?
Are you rearranging?
Apple.
Is it apple? I think it's orange.
Orange.
Yes, orange.
What else
So,
is in there?
What do we have there, boo?
Where's the leche? Where's the milk, Boo?
¿Dónde está la leche? Enfrente de ti. En la puerta.
Mm-hmm. Where's the juice? Mm-hmm. Where's the strawberries?
Están adentro del refrigerador.
It's inside.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the eggs? Mm-hmm. Where's the butter? Where's the salsa? Better not know. Where's the carrots? Uh-oh.
What are you doing, Bosh?
Apple, not quite.
That's not apple, that's pepper.
Say red.
No.
It's another one.
That's pepper.
Mm-hmm.
No.
That's green pepper.
Mm-hmm. They yummy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, say bye. Put it back. No, don't open it. Oh, too late.
No, we're not going to open that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't need the pepper right now.
Okay, say bye.